Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Time for an indoor garden update. It's been a while since I've gone over stuff with you. The first Roma tomato is friggin' loaded with tomatoes. Got tomatoes all over it up here, in the background there, tomatoes everywhere. Tomatoes down below here, all over the place. So it loves the soil. The carrots down here, let me go down below. The carrots, not so much. Now the one right next to it, the basil's getting out of control. I mean, look at the size of these basil leaves. Okay, this one over here, the carrots are absolutely loving the soil. The tomato plant's dying. It's stressing out and dying, so it's got something. It's the leaves are drying up and falling off. I don't want them contaminating the one next to it, so that's going. I'm going to pull that out here tonight and get rid of it. The lettuce in the background there is huge. I got to go over there and pick lettuce. The cantaloupe and cucumbers are getting insane. I'm going to have to raise that light bar up again. And the onions are doing pretty good too. So, yeah, that tomato there's got to go. Alrighty, so I know this is kind of a quickie one here. Oh, the other carrots over here are doing absolutely fine. The onions next to it here are doing okay. I've been clipping the overgrowth of the carrots on the one end just to try to keep it under control, just as a see how it compares to the other side that I don't cut too much. This one I cut a lot, and it's just setting up new growth. So hopefully the roots on the carrots are getting big too. Alrighty, so that's what's going on here.